Hi, I'm Matt Kovac with Deutsche Beverage. I just want to show you how to replace the diaphragm and the seal in your sample port. Very simple. You pretty much only need two tools. You take your adjustable wrench. It's really can be fairly easy. Sometimes if it's not, you can use the flat part here and put it in a vise just to hold on to it so you can get a little more leverage on it and be able to take that off. Just get it started. Alright, right here is your diaphragm. I pretty much just use a small screwdriver. Kind of just pry it up just a little bit. On the inside it's got a kind of cone top. Right, there's our old one. As you can see, it's got this ridge in the top, and then on the inside of here it has a little recessed part where it'll pop right onto there. Pretty much just wiggle it on. Right, that's on there. There's your diaphragm. Next we've got the seal on the actual knob on top. Same thing with the flathead. Just kind of get right under it. Comes off real simple. And if you're replacing it anyway, it doesn't really matter if you tear it, of course. You take your new one, slides right on there into that ridge. Screw that right back on there. That's tight. Go ahead and check it out. Make sure your gasket on top is seated properly. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.